Hey everyone, welcome back to One in a Million. Today, we're diving into the world of Ethereum and revealing 5 hidden secrets that can help you maximize your investment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these strategies will give you an edge in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Let's get started. Secret 1. Utilize dollar cost averaging. First up is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money into Ethereum at regular intervals, like weekly or monthly, regardless of its price. This method helps mitigate the risks associated with market volatility. By spreading out your investments over time, you can lower your average purchase price and avoid the stress of trying to time the market. For instance, if you invest $100 every week, some weeks you'll buy when prices are low and other weeks when they're high. Over time, this averages out your cost and can lead to significant savings. Secret 2. Explore staking opportunities. Next is staking your ETH. With Ethereum's transition to proof of stake through Ethereum 2.0, you can earn rewards by locking up your ETH to help secure the network. This is a great way to generate passive income from your holdings. Currently, staking can yield annual returns of around 5% to 10%. Just be sure to research reputable platforms like Coinbase or Binance to ensure your assets are safe. Remember, staking not only supports the network but also allows you to participate in its growth. Secret 3. Diversify your portfolio. Our third secret is diversification. While Ethereum is a strong asset, it's essential not to put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Consider allocating funds into other promising altcoins or DeFi projects. Diversifying helps mitigate risks associated with market volatility. For example, if ETH experiences a downturn but another coin performs well, it can balance out your overall returns. Plus, diversifying allows you to learn more about the crypto economy and discover new investment opportunities. Secret 4. Leverage technical analysis. Our fourth secret is to leverage technical analysis. Understanding how to read charts can empower you to make informed trading decisions. Key indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD can help identify trends. For instance, if the RSI shows that ETH is oversold, below 30, it might be a good time to buy. Conversely, if it's overbought, above 70, it could indicate a potential sell-off. Familiarizing yourself with these indicators can help you better time your trades. Secret 5. Stay informed and adapt. Finally, our fifth secret is perhaps the most crucial. Stay informed and adapt. The cryptocurrency landscape changes rapidly due to technological advancements and regulatory developments. Following reputable news sources like CoinDesk or CryptoSlate ensures you're updated on market trends. Being informed allows you to adjust your strategies accordingly. If there's news about regulatory changes affecting Ethereum or new technological developments, being aware of this could help you make timely decisions about buying or selling. Expert tips to enhance your strategy. Understand your risk tolerance. Know how much risk you're willing to take before investing. Given Ethereum's volatility, understanding your risk appetite helps determine how much you should invest without jeopardizing your financial stability. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Given the high-risk nature of cryptocurrencies, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This mindset helps avoid emotional decision-making during market fluctuations. Know when to sell. Avoid panic selling during price drops. Instead, evaluate whether your investments have long-term value before making any decisions. Consider long-term holding. Many successful investors recommend holding on to ETH for the long term rather than engaging in frequent trading due to market volatility. Research before you invest. Always perform thorough research before making any investment decisions and consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. To wrap things up, today we covered 5 hidden secrets that can help you maximize your Ethereum investments. Utilizing dollar cost averaging, exploring staking opportunities, diversifying your portfolio, leveraging technical analysis, and staying informed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. And I'd love to hear from you. What strategies do you use for investing in Ethereum? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our free investment guide, which is linked in the description, for more tips on navigating the crypto world. Until next time, happy investing.